Yeah. Wait, what happened? Oh, okay. Are we gonna play playground? So, I don't know if you people want to play playground. uh, oh. Hi, welcome to Chili's. Oh, it's sad because this only lasts 15 minutes. So I hope you die a lot. I love these people. No, I don't. I really don't. I really don't. I hate these people. I'm just kidding. Yeah. Okay, I don't know why we're playing scores, even though I'm gonna die, but like, okay. Okay, where are we going? Shh! You don't need to know. You really don't. Where are we going? Oh, I nearly forgot how to jump. You didn't know I'm recording. Right, so like, why are you being weird? That's really sad. You murdered them. Well, I swear I just landed. Oh, you flippin'. I know it. My cheese. Okay, so one of them always legs it, and oh, he sounds so weird. What are you doing? I know, I see that. You look stupid. Oh, oh, okay. Alright, so I'm just gonna watch this video and laugh my head off. Okay. Alright then. One day, I have no gun. Whoa! Pickaxe! um. Wanda, can you shut up? Thank you. That was nice. That was nice. Nanny McPhee. Well, you expect every wish to be pretty one day. Ah, oh my god. Hold on, I need to talk. What, so you expect every witch to be pretty one day? What? whoever watches this, please screenshot this, please. Yeah, she kind of does look ugly. Oh no, don't move. Don't move. Oh, shut up one day. Beautiful face right there. Where are we landing? Oh wait, one thing, wait, you know what you said on Friday? Would you think anyone would do it? Okay, okay, who would you think who would do it? Yeah, kind of. I don't know. Jaden Esford, he spends like, I swear, he spends 1 hour making one musically, and it looks terrible. I'm not hating, I'm just stating the facts. And I don't know where I'm going because I'm really low. I made a really big mistake. One day follow me, please. Are you flipping? I hate you. Ah! I'm gonna die. No, I'm gonna die. Oh, there you are. Why are you there? Oh, do you want to burst? Ah, rude. Yeah, that's facts right there. That's facts. I'm running. I'm running. Oh, that's great. I'm pretty sure I would die from deep. I don't know. One day. I'm Mickey. Imagine. Stop it. Just imagine Amber's ones and Neggy's. I don't care if you're playing a game right now. Why was that intense? I'm never doing that again. No, he knocked the other person. No, there was 2 people, genius! What? Where are they? Oh, they're there. I'm so blind. I missed every shot! Okay. I don't care. We have like 6 minutes before this ends, and I'm like, no. Die. No, I don't. But how long will you survive though? It's pregnant. Shh. No, it's pregnant. One day. Oh wait, that's not one day, that's you. Whoops. Oh, hi. Hi. Bye. Oh, you're still there. Alright then. Ah! You ugly creatures. You ugly. You ugly. Oh. What? What? Are you serious one day? You actually serious? Meow. Oh, I have, yeah. No, go away. Oh, I'm coming. I'm reloading. I have no mads. Oh, hold on. Okay, hold on. Okay. Why is my sound not on? Why? That's really mean. Why isn't it on? Oh, we have like 3 minutes. Like, bye. Okay, hold on. Say bye to the video, you freaking. Okay, bye.